What is up, YouTube? It is Alexandria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my first time trying magnetic lashes. I picked up this magnetic lash kit from Walgreens. This is the Ardell magnetic liner and lash. It comes with a gel liner in black, the brush, and then the lashes. And then my lashes are kind of hanging by a thread because I actually already recorded this video. But don't you love when the footage is actually terrible, so you have to re-record the video? So here I am. I'm going to be reviewing these lashes in this video. Everyone knows the Ardell Wispies are like poppin', and everyone loves like the regular falsies that you just glue on of this style. So I'm interested to see how I'm gonna like the magnetic lashes. So I'm just gonna go ahead, open this up. And so in terms of like how to use it, it's really pretty easy. All you do is apply 2 coats of the magnetic gel liner along your upper lash line, so like where you would just do your regular liner. And then the liner itself is actually magnetic, so that's what the magnetic lashes stick to. I know this might be hard to see. I'm wondering if you can see how there's like these 4 little magnets on each lash. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on. I actually don't really like gel liner. I don't know why. I'm just like, I don't know, just not that good at it. Don't like it. I prefer a liquid liner. So hopefully I don't like mess up and screw up my whole face. So I'm gonna zoom in and give you guys a closer look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. I feel like magnetic lashes like popped up like last year, like on the scene, or maybe like a year and a half ago, and nobody was really vibing with it. And like now, I guess since everybody's like in the house in quarantine and trying to like DIY figure out everything, I feel like now all of a sudden it's kind of like popped back on the scene a little bit. I saw like a bunch of different brands in Walgreens, and then of course I feel like the original one of magnetic lashes is like the Moxie lash. That's kind of like the one that I heard about most, but those are like really expensive, and I was like, I'm not about to try that for magnetic lashes. Like, that don't even sound like it works. So anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and take this little brush, dip it in the liner. And I know some people are about to cringe, but I stretch my lid to apply my liner. I know. You're not supposed to, but I don't care. That's how I get it done best and straightest. Alright, so there's my first layer. I'm gonna do the other eye. Then I'm gonna come back and do my second layer. If you hear a bunch of noise in the background, it is literally storming and a tornado warning outside. So that will be that. Alright, so first layer on, bing, blow, wow. I'm about to do the second layer and then pop these little babies on. Alrighty, so I got my liner on, and you can stop cringing at me pulling my eyelash. I'm out with my eyelid down. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pop these babies on. The one thing I have like about these is if your lid is smaller, I feel like that's like a disadvantage for magnetic eyelashes, because if you have to trim these, then you automatically take one of the magnets off, and so it's like stays less. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I think you get what I'm trying to say. I don't know why I grabbed the tweezers if I was just gonna put it on with my hand, but I feel like it has like the strongest grip in the world. No. All right, let's just apply the other one. Honestly, I keep looking up at the camera because I want to make sure I actually get my lid in the frame, because that's why I'm having to re-record this video, because my eyelid literally was not in the frame in this eyelash video. So what the heck. All right, this outer part is giving me a little bit of trouble. I need you to go, yes, magnetize. Okay, they're on. I feel like this is not really like a true test of how good they are, because like I'm not going anywhere, I'm stuck in the house, you know, coronavirus. So like I need like some wind tests, like a cry test, like, you know, some wind gust test. I mean, I feel like, let's see like how easy it is for me to pull. Okay, it's got a little stain. It's not that easy for me to pull off. All right, well, I mean, I already knew I was gonna like this style of lash because it's the Ardell Wispy. I think it looks cute. Definitely enhance my makeup, enhance, you know, enhance the look. I mean, the application was super easy. I didn't have to wait for my glue to get tacky. All I have to do is natural lashes. I mean, I think these are actually pretty good. I'm pretty surprised. I'm trying to remember how much the kit itself cost. I believe it was less than $20. I want to say $18. Could be wrong. I'm going to put the actual price and the link to get these lashes down in the description box. But I mean, these actually are working better this time than they did when I recorded it the first time. So I'm actually pretty pleasantly surprised, because the first time I was like, these are not gonna work. Like, who is going out in these magnetic lashes? You step one foot out the door and they're gonna be like whoosh, fly away. But like, I don't have that same feeling this time, so I don't know if I just applied the liner better, or I try to do a little bit of a thicker band because I thought that might have been a reason why it didn't stay the first time. I would give this, like, for letter grade, I'd probably give it like a B+. I think this is a great option, particularly if you struggle with putting on falsies with glue. But I will say that I feel like all of the styles that I saw in the magnetic lashes were all pretty like subtle, and I'm more of like a bling blow wow lash kind of person. Like, if I'm gonna wear lashes, like, you're gonna know that I'm wearing lashes. Like, that's how I feel about lashes. So with these, it's like, yeah, you can see that I'm wearing lashes, but it's not like, ooh, those lashes are popping. So I feel like if you're the type that like likes to have really big or full lashes, you probably won't like the magnetic lashes style. Or if you're trying to like wear these for a night out, I don't really feel like the styles that they have are like night out lashes. But I'm pleasantly surprised. These actually do work. I'm like surprised. So I'm looking at these like closer, and I think we're gonna have to drop that down to like a B-. So when I'm looking at it closer, it's like the areas that don't have a magnet on them, particularly the inner corner on my lid, where it seems to be lifting a little bit. And when I glue on my lashes, like, I don't have that issue with lifting, only if I like didn't apply them right. So I have to dock a little points for that. So we're gonna go with a B- for the magnetic lashes. Like I said, it might work for you, but honestly, I personally will just stick to regular false lashes, applying them with glue. They feel sturdy. I feel assured when I wear them. They look good. And also I feel like it's easier to blend the lash. Like, I like to go on top with my liquid liner and help blend the lash, and I don't really know if I feel comfortable doing that with these. So anyway, that's the end of the video. No need to keep talking and talking and talking and talking about these lashes. Overall, I think they're decent, but I just think there's better options out there in the market in terms of lashes. Even like the Ardell individual lashes that you can apply yourself that kind of look like lash extensions would be like a better option, I would think, than purchasing these, and they're also cheaper. So anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!